Okay, these ones, I can see where the problem is you're forgetting to deal with each of the components inside the bracket. So let's start from the very beginning. So you already know that a to the m times n is equal to a m n. Now then, if I put one more component inside the bracket, so a to the m, b to the n, all raised to the power of n, then you have to do a to the mp, b to the np. So you need to multiply the power. So this is distributed to m, we turn it to m times p. Remember, it's the bracket multiplying itself p number of times. And so that would be m number of p's, or n number of p's. Knowing that, going back to this problem, then there are two components here, 2 and p to the 5. So there are two things there. So you need to do 2 to the 2, distributing the 2, and then also this. But we are not adding, we are multiplying p to the 5 times 2. So this is 4p to the power of 10. I think some of you are still confused about when do I multiply the powers and when do I add. You multiply the powers most of the time is when you see the brackets. Where did they go? I'm sorry. You see the brackets like this, and then with the power outside. This is when you apply this law. Then you need to multiply the indices. Now, but this is the shorter version of what happened when we have to add the powers. We can only add when the bases are the same, right? So here we have, say, 2 to the 2 raised to the power of 7. Then this is the one that you have to multiply. 2 and then 2 times 7. Your answer is 2 to the 14. Now this is very different to 2 to the 2 times with the base 2 to this. They're different. This is 2 to the power of 2 plus 7, not times. And this is the one that will give you 2 to the power of 9. The difference here is this one, the bracket itself is multiplying itself 7 times. You have 2 to the 2 times 2 to the 2 times 2 to the 2. Okay, we're running out of space. I'll put it to the front. Okay, so there are, do I have 6 or 7? 2, 4, 6, 7, yeah. So 2 squared multiplying itself 7 times. Whereas for these, you see, it's 2 to the 2, which is the 2 squared, times 2, times 2, times 2, times 2. Hey, I need to write 7 of these. Are we good? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, times another 2. Yeah, you get the idea. Okay? Hopefully, you should be able to see quickly how to deal with question 10. So 5x7 to the power of 3. You can pause the video and then do it yourself and then click play to check. But here's what we have to do. So 125x to the power of 21.